What's up guys, SolarGRT. Today we're playing I Am Cat VR. This is a pretty, well, sort of a new game. Not really. It's a good game, okay? Granny, you really didn't give me the water? Oh my god. That's good. Granny. Eat this. Eat that, Granny. Ha! You can't get me. You can't get me up here. You can't get me up here, little noob. You know what? Get out of here! Back up, Granny. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Hey, you suck, Granny. Granny, what the heck? You just hit your cat! That's animal abuse. You can't do that. Epic. Granny, you better stay back. I have a knife. I have a butcher knife. Granny! What happens if I put metal in here? Whoa! Ah, you can't get me. Watch this. Whoa! 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 Stupid. God! Haha! Stupid. Anyway. What's this for? Where's the microwave? Oh, it's right here. Have people ever told you not to put metal in the microwave? Well, today, we're gonna see why you shouldn't do that. No, I don't believe in consent. So, I'm gonna do this. Everything's gonna be perfectly fine. Start. Granny, I'm putting metal in the microwave. Seems normal. I got Dominator 1 in Helicity, by the way. So I'll make a review video on that too. Because I got 100,000. My only goal is to get every single interceptor. So, yeah. Can I get in here? Yeah. All right. Oh! Oh! Granny? Granny! Granny, help me! I'm stuck! Granny, why didn't you help me? That's it. Whoa. What the? What? Why am I spinning? Stupid Granny. Granny, this is all you watch? You just watch other cats? You cheater! Bruh. Not again. Is she serious? Is that all she watches every day? It's just other cats? You cheat. I can't jump. What the heck? Cheater! There we go. This is kind of like Gorilla Tag, but with more sophisticated movements, if you really think about it. What happened? Did you fall? You idiot. Oh, a car. A little toy car. It's mine. Goodbye, civilians. No, please, no, please. Okay, I don't know where that went. There's that one, and there's that one, and there's that one. And then there's that one. Four, 5. One last painting. I just need to get one last painting. I think I know which one I'm gonna go for, because it looks more like a painting. I don't know, actually. Boom. Let's go. Okay. I'm not too bad at basketball. Well, at least I would say I'm not too bad. Oh! Go! The next NBA legend. Yo, Granny, I'm falling. Oh, oh, oh. Oh gosh. Granny, you gotta see this. I'm balling. Ugh. That's it. Slam dunk! You come here. You're coming with me. No! I don't want you to cheat. Ooh. 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 No! Oh! Let's go. Calls and balloons. Okay. Gida, oh, I've been married a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from? Play a melody on the piano. Which melody, though? What melody am I supposed to play? Play a melody? Do I have to use these keys? Being wrong. I don't know how to do this. FACDD. Hey! Let's go. Not bad, but you're too careful. Show me how bad a cat you can be. Break something. Bet. Let's break something. I can always break stuff. I'm the master of breaking stuff. Knock over some of Granny's vases. some of her favorite ones. Hey, 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 hey. How's that? What you gonna do, Granny? You ain't gonna do nothing. You can't stop me. I'm gonna break everything. What are you gonna do about it? Nothing. Granny, stand back. Stand back. I'll bottle you. I'm gonna bottle you. Granny, Granny, please, please, I didn't mean to. Woo! Stupid. Stupid Granny. Noob. Get on my level, you little skibbity slicer. L. She gets pissed. Just chases you with a frying pan. Bo-do-do-do-do. Stupid. Woo! Stupid. Stupid Granny. Ooh. Stay back. It's my cat food super. It's all mine. Woo-wee! Bah! Granny, how many times do you have to do that? And everything's prepared? Whatever. Stupid. We don't need these. You don't need these. Granny, you don't need these. Trust me. I'm the smarty. I'm the smart one. Ugh. Stupid. Yeah. Take it back. Granny. Will you stop hitting me with the frying pan? You do that every day. I'm sick of it. Granny? Yeah, you stay there. We don't need these, Granny. You can trust me. I'm the guy here who knows all this. I know about home. I know about homes. I have one of my own. Specific. It's mostly yours. It's more like yours. That's what I would say. Because this is my home and, yeah, I'm living rent-free, basically. I'm not gonna pay you, so don't even ask me to do it. Stupid. Stupid Granny. Alright, let's go to sleep. Alright. What else we got today? New day, new dollar. Sleep is for wimps. Dump all the pillows on the floor. I think I can do that. That's easy. Oh, that's easy. Woo hoo, doo doo doo. Where are the pillows? They upstairs? Are they upstairs or something? Yeah, there's some pillows up here. Sleep is for wimps. Not counting me, of course. Alright, what other ones? Which ones are we missing? There's another 3 that we have to find and knock over. Woo! I'm Spider-Man! This game, you can do anything. You can be Spider-Man. You can be Spider-Man, or you can be Spider-Man. I'm gonna first do these parts. Wow, this is epic. Anyway, is the clock moving? I thought it was moving. Let's see if I can do this. Woo! Who are you gonna call when he's there? Who are you gonna call when peace is there? Who are you gonna call when there's pizza there? Who are you gonna call when games are there? Who are you gonna call when there's an animatronic there? Calm down, Freddy Fazbear's Pizza. Who are you gonna call when pizza's there? Who are you gonna call when games are there? Who are you gonna call when there's an animatronic there? Calm down to Freddy Fazbear's Pizza. Okay, we have this. I found this USB. Does anybody know the code to the computer? Put it in the comments. If you're watching this, put it in the comments, and so I know. Books are for nerds. Get this out of here. Get that out of here, bro. Books are for nerds. And I certainly ain't no nerd, so we don't need the books. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I almost fell off. Whoo, 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 whoo. You thought you could get away? Long live the king, boy. And she can't get up here. Granny can't get up here, so I can do whatever I want to this level. I can do whatever I want up here, because she can't get up here. Now we gotta find some sort of pillows. Sleep is for wimps. Dump all the pillows on the floor. When I got those 3, where's the other 3? There's another 3 that we have to find, and I don't know where they. Oh, they're right here. They're right here. Yeah. This is probably the last quest we're gonna do. I swear there was one. Okay, that one was on top of that one. Scattering food from the bowl. That's easy. Woo! Now we're gonna eat it. You're right, alcohol is evil. Let's break some bottles. No. Alcohol is bad for you. Alcohol is evil. Kill the glasses, too. Stupid. You just walked right into that one, didn't you? Yeah, what are you gonna do now, Granny? You can't catch me up here. You can't climb. You can't climb like I can. I'm Sigma. Where are you going? What you gonna do? You gonna clean it up magically? You gonna magically clean it up? No. Whoo-wee. Okay. Huh. 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 Let's go up here. Whew. Good thing I fall pretty slowly, so I couldn't get too hurt. I'm bear climbing. No! Who is able to bear climb and gorilla tag? I don't know a single person who's able to do that. Try? What do you mean, try? Oh! So if I press this, what's it gonna do? Yeah, it's gonna bring me to the thing. It's a top seller. People really like being a security guard and just messing with people, beating them up, teasing them, shooting them, doing everything but their job. Whew. Where are the other bottles? We must. There they are. You thought you could hide from me? No. With my Spider-Man reflexes, I will knock you down. I will knock you over. Off this table. Woo. 5 plates. Stupid. Hey, Granny. Hey, Granny. Catch. Stupid. Oh, gosh. Granny, you gotta stop. That's a bad habit. You're hitting animals. That's animal abuse. You can't do that. 3 couches. Easy. Stupid. You can't come up here, stupid Granny. What the? Okay. Three couches? Well, I hear the mayhem across town. I guess you better not get angry. Let's show a little kindness. I'm sending you the tasks. Okay, Fluffy Joe. God. Okay, we might have to continue this some other time. They call him the robot. I call him Cosmo. He looks like Cosmo. Okay. Guess we'll have to do this another time. Okay. Hey, Granny, you want the robot? Come on. You are pretty slow. Hey, Granny. Get! Down, Grandma. Alright, let's go. Come on, buddy. Let's go. Let's go somewhere we've never gone, but that Granny can't go. Upstairs, because she's too old and dumb. She's gonna... No! I got you. Can you follow me up the stairs? He can follow me, but he can't drive upstairs, so I have to carry him. I'm sorry, bro, I have to carry you. It's the only way to get you up. There you go, now you're upstairs. Cool? What is that? He's so cute. He's just like Cosmo. I used to want a Cosmo. He literally looks just like a Cosmo. Alright. He's literally just a Cosmo. I used to want one so bad. When I was younger, I used to want Cosmo. Come on, buddy. Let's go downstairs. You're zooming. I don't think you can come down the stairs. Here, let me give you a hand. Come on, bro. Come on, buddy. Oh no! You okay? Here, let's go. 3, 2, 1. All right. Come on. Let's watch TV. Good ending. Let's watch TV. key. Show sucks. There we go. Now this is the real deal. It's the good stuff. Oh. Oh yeah, let's go. I think I'm gonna wrap it up right here. This was fun. Also, if anybody knows the password to the computer, can you please tell me it? Because I don't know where the password is. But before I go, I do have one last thing I want to do. What do you think? Okay. TV sucks now. I don't care about it. That's a wall. Cosmo, that's a wall. I'm just gonna call him Cosmo because that's what he looks like. I know he's just called the robot, but he's just a robot. But I actually like. I'm gonna call him Cosmo. Wait, what was that? Oh, here's the password 0426. Now that I know the password, let's just try this out. I was gonna go, but. Hi, Granny. Woo! You want me? Come and get me. Can't get me up here now, can you? Stupid. I got stuck. Can't get me now. Stupid Granny. I think I know where it is. Hurry, go. What's the password for the drive? Isn't that the computer password is 0426? I swear that's what it was. That's it, yeah, 0426. Do I have to put in the computer password or some other password? Probably have to put in a different password and I have to find it upstairs. That picture is kind of sus, though. Not gonna lie, it looks kind of sussy. It looks kind of sussy. I just can't stop playing this game, dude. It's so good. You can actually see like the pixels and stuff on the TV. That's so neat. Nope, it's not here. Whoa! Huh! Dirt monkey. Dirt fucking monkey. Yeah. I don't know where the password is. If somebody could help me find the password for that. I'm gonna try the computer password one more time. If that doesn't work, I'm just gonna suspect that there is a different password that I have to put in. Wake up the computer. What? 0, 4, 2, 6. Oh, okay, this isn't working. I don't know what to do. Check out some of this other stuff that you have on your computer, Granny. Hey. Friends? Okay. This is a struggle. Press it! Oh my god. Yay. What the? What? 0, 4, 2, 6. Go. Okay, so I don't know what to do. I literally don't know what to do because it says access denied, so I'm guessing that's probably something you'll have to access later. I'm guessing it's probably something I'll have to try and access later. Your computer sucks! Ugh. Stupid computer. Ugh. Stupid USB. You think it's so cool, so funny? Ugh. Ugh. Granny, I'm literally being crushed by this stupid laptop, stupid desktop computer. Stupid computer. Do you want this USB? Okay. Let's see if I can you still use the computer? Oh, wrong way. I think the computer's broken. Or it's not turning on. I think I broke Granny, I think I broke the computer. Oh yeah, never mind. It still works. Sadly. Yeah, if you guys want to see more videos like this. Like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. I'm making more videos. Yeah. thanks for watching, and once again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later. Whew.